apple juice, but that's about it. You didn't get anything then. No premium. Almost premium. Enough to smell their breakfast, but not enough to eat it.
That's therapy. Like things that could like put your head in place.
Yeah.
There you go, sir. 130 Borey, New York, New York.
We're gonna go down to the bridges, then go up to Chinatown to eat, and then afterwards there's a workshop there. We're gonna do that entire day. We have a 3-hour gap.
We're going to the
Airbnb, then to the bridges. After the bridges, we're gonna go up to Chinatown to eat, and then the entire workshop. And we have a 3-hour gap since Ayumi got moved, right? Our last workshop slash jam ends at like 10ish, so we'll be home at 11.
Pizza, like Joe's Pizza or
We could.
Guys kind of thing, and then you guys eat.
We could. We have an early start tomorrow too, though. So.
Which workshop are we taking now? Tafi?
Open Cypher at 2:30, Tawfiq at 3 o'clock. Hey. Yeah, we should take a picture there. It's
not the nicest, but like it works.
It works pretty well, but it's hard to.
How big it is. It's not big. Just like
TBH, Toronto looks nicer.
Yeah, Toronto's big.
Toronto looks nicer.
I mean like is it like more lines, right?
It's
less lines.
Think about Toronto as like a very, very easy, quick drawing, and think of like
it's like a scatter, right?
Yeah, it's like it's like an amoeba. Center out everywhere direction you want to go.
Isn't that better though?
More access, but you have to know where you want to get off and where you want to get on.
Yeah, but that's a good event. Oh, you guys, I'm getting like, but you guys unlimited, right?
Yeah, the rest of us are unlimited, I think.
You guys unlimited?
Yeah.
Wait, what do you?
It's $5 extra. It's
yeah, but
and it's like $5 off. I would rather pay for an extra just for safety in mind. Visa. I have no idea. We got our data plan, so we have like 4 gigs and a half.
Careful, there's a here.
Shoes off?
You want which one?
I swear it's like 222 and then someone has to sleep on the couch or something. One person. Wait.
The snorers should not be in like the middle room because we share 2 walls, right? They're gonna bother everybody. The snorers.
Oh yeah, I'll snore in here. Yeah.
Who's taking couch?
I can do that.
You don't care?
Yeah, I'll do that.
Let's get ready to leave in 20 minutes. Everyone good for that? Today?
Yeah.
No, we're going to go to the bridges, then to Chinatown, then right to afterwards to BC. Pack everything. Jameson, where are you?
It's like 6 stations south of you guys. It's like 10 minutes.
Where are you again?
Queensboro Plaza.
We're heading over now.
Hungry.
You want like something so you can just grab and go? Or...
How much? What time is it?
It's 11:45. Cheaper.
No, we can go now. But we gotta like go now.
All the best.
We are going to Manhattan. I mean, it makes sense. The end? What? We got two vlogs going on. She was like 20 minutes or so for the flight. It's like Tim Hortons.
What's the sales sticks?
What?
Yeah, let me put this on my story.
You guys can start eating, I think.
We should also get like a group photo at one point here, since we're in the same place. Alright, no problem.
On Saturday?
How long is the drive? Like an hour. That big point?
Oh yeah, this is definitely coming.
Yo, bakery. We good. We're getting buns here afterwards. Just another burger by day. Yo, we're early too, man.
My sleep, this window is.
Yo, this is what illustrates how full we are.
We're early. Thank you.
So yeah, we're gonna need to say that you're one of the wild types.
Yeah.
And that we are
It's me right here.
We're your
Entourage.
support staff. And we'll go right in.
What's the workshop we're trying to do?
3 p.m. for Tawfiq.
Oh, yeah, okay. Well, you okay, this is how you stretch. You gotta go up to someone, you're like, I can answer. You do like, that's a stretch. That's a stretch, eh? I watch that. Little bit.